So I'm going to set up my shower and the toilet, and I'm going to try and video it. However, I'm not sure if this is going to work because I've got the what is this thing called, the camera thingy parked there. First things first, I'm going to use some gloves because it's always safer to do it that way, because you don't pinch your fingers or something by doing something stupid. Well, let's see how it goes. Ensuite's important because, you know, you need to do what you gotta do. Hi, doggy. Hi. Fist bump. Fist bump. Great success. Bullshit. Well, what great absolute success. That's my shower ensuite. That looks like crap. Right, let's get the loo out of the way. Presenting the toilet and the shower unit. So this is the ensuite, which is absolute garbage. But nevertheless, there's the loo. Well, let's see if we can actually make this work now. Well, there's some breakfast being made, and I'm making some bacon in my little stove, and well, that looks. I've added some Portuguese sauces in that, which kind of gives it a nice kick. I've got some eggs here as well, so I'm gonna throw some eggs in. Go on. Yay, eggy. That says. Smelling good. And that's the background. How cool is that? You get to cook in a setting like this, which is really something special. I like to cook the bacon just nice and, you know, not too crispy. I'm not a big fan of overly crispy bacon though, so. Day 2. Pretty much been sleeping the whole day because the weather's been like that, and I figured let me just get some chill time. However, the people who helped me recover my truck felt sorry for my ass and said, oh, you know, we'll get you something, because we had this conversation about pork. Now, the pork in this region is supposed to be amazing. So they decided to get some pork made for me and get me some of that stuff, which looks... Oops, that was bad. That was almost going out the window. So this is like corgi... Hang on, crap, I need to match it. Yeah, corgi style pork. Look at that. This is like, I don't know. I forgot what they called it, but this was really interesting. They're like rice balls of some sort. Now, this aside, I've got this special looking alcoholic beverage, which is pretty awesome. I had one bottle already, and I've got one left here. I have no. It's kind of like a toddy, but not really toddy, because they called it something, and I obviously forgot. Now, nevertheless, it's a beautiful day. Actually, I'm lying. It's a shit day, and I'm waiting for the weather to be a bit more kind to me, so I can actually do some trek up the hill. Beautiful location though. Well, I thought I'll go have a bit of a walk. It's calmed down now. It's raining a lot less. Where's my friend? Yeah, that's the way I call him. There you go. Look, he's coming. She's coming. Sorry. I guess that's her new name. Well, let's see what we get up to. So this is where we slipped off yesterday. As you can see, the surface is really rubbish, and this is where the diff was sitting on. We've kind of gone off here a bit. What happened is this entire place, you know, I've driven, and then we slipped off a little bit because there's no traction, and then moved to the corner a bit and this entire area just caved in, which basically meant the whole truck just fell through. But luckily we're out and about. I found a new friend, and this is Manja. Say hello. Yeah. He helped me recover the car. Good job. He's a local here, so just thought I'll take him for a bit of a walk. Yeah? We go walking? Yeah. Yeah, so we're here. We're at the, whatever you call this place, and there's some beautiful falls behind us. You can't really see it because it doesn't get captured in the computer or on the screen. So we've just come for a bit of a walk. It's beautiful. The weather's really nice. It's, you know, I have this whole thing where these corgis say it's Scotland of India, or it isn't Scotland by any means, but nevertheless, it's a really pretty place. So coming out for a walk really makes quite a bit of a difference. Nevertheless, we're going to go and check out some more stuff because it's starting to drizzle now. We'll see what we get to. Till then. It's been raining